Beginner English. 24 Conversations of Daily Life. Lesson 1 to Lesson 6. Lesson 1, Be Verbs. Conversation 1, Are you a new student?
Hello. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am. Today is my first day.
Well, welcome. My name is Tony.
Hi, Tony. I'm Beth.
Are you new in town?
Yes, I'm from New York.
Wow, the big city. Well, I hope you like our small town.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I am. Born and raised here.
That is so cool. Well, it is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Conversation 2, How is your first day?
Hey, Beth. How is your first day?
It is really good. This school is great.
How are your classes?
They are fun. My teachers are so nice.
Who are your teachers?
My English teacher is Mr. Wong.
Oh, he is really nice.
Yes, he is. My Spanish teacher is Mrs. Garcia.
Oh, she is really nice too.
Yes, her class is a lot of fun.
Conversation 3, What is your favorite class?
What is your favorite class?
Spanish. I love it. My Spanish is not very good, though. I am just a beginner.
Well, Spanish is my first language. My name is Tony, short for Antonio.
Really? That is so cool.
Yeah, my dad is from Mexico and my mom is from Costa Rica.
Wow, you are so lucky.
Yeah, Spanish is easy for me, so I can help you if you like.
I'd like that. Thank you.
Conversation 4, Where is the computer lab?
Tony, where is the computer lab?
It's just down the hall.
My Spanish class is there tomorrow.
Oh, when is the class?
It's at 6, after school.
Why isn't the class online?
It is, but I'm still new in town, so I don't have internet at home yet.
Oh, I see. Well, good luck with the class.
Thanks. I'm excited for it. I think online classes are fun.
I think so too.
Lesson 2, Be Verbs with yes/no questions. Conversation 1, Are you hot?
Are you hot?
Yes, I am very hot.
Is the air conditioning on?
No, it is off.
Can I turn it on?
Yes, please do. And can you turn the radio on too?
Of course. Is jazz music all right?
Yes, I love jazz music.
Conversation 2, Is your house big?
Is your house big?
Yes, it is pretty big.
Is it new?
No, it is very old.
Is it nice?
Not really. It is cold in winter.
Oh no, that's not good.
Conversation 3, Are your shoes new?
I like your shoes. Are they new?
Yes, they are.
Are they expensive?
No, they are very cheap.
Are they comfortable?
Yes, they are very comfortable.
Are they from the discount shoe shop?
Yes. How did you guess?
Conversation 4. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Do you want pizza?
Yes, let's get some.
Is the pizza shop still open?
Yes, it is open until 10.
What time is it now?
8. It's open for 2 more hours.
Great. I'm starving.
Lesson 3. Likes and food. Conversation 1. What foods do you like?
So, what foods do you like?
I like ice cream and pizza and apples.
Oh, I like those foods too.
What foods do you like?
I like fish, vegetables, and bananas.
Together?
No, not together.
Conversation 2. What drinks do you like?
What drinks do you like?
I like tea and I like juice.
Ooh, hot tea or cold tea?
Both. What about you?
I like coffee and hot chocolate.
Ooh, I like both too.
Conversation 3. What desserts do you like?
What desserts do you like?
I really like ice cream.
Oh, what flavor do you like?
I like strawberry. I like vanilla too.
Nice. I like cake and I like pie.
What kind of pie?
I really like apple pie with ice cream.
Yum.
Conversation 4. What snacks do you like?
What snacks do you like?
I like to eat fruit.
Oh, yeah? What fruits do you like?
I like apples and oranges. And you?
I like strawberries and watermelon.
Do you like to eat cookies?
Of course. I love chocolate chip cookies.
Me too.
Lesson 4. Present simple verbs. Conversation 1. What do you do in the morning?
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, I take a shower, I get dressed, and I eat breakfast.
Oh, when do you get up?
I get up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
I know. I like mornings though.
Conversation 2. What do you do during the day?
What do you do during the day?
Well, I go to school. I teach students.
Ooh, what do you teach?
I teach math. What do you do?
I work at a bike shop.
Really? What do you do at the shop?
I fix and sell bikes.
Sounds fun.
Conversation 3. What do you do at lunch?
What do you do at lunch?
I eat with my friends. And you?
I eat in the park.
That's nice.
Yeah, I like to read on my lunch break.
Ooh, what do you read?
I read about history.
Interesting.
Conversation 4. What do you do on the weekend?
What do you do on the weekend?
I play sports at the park. How about you?
I study at the library.
Oh, right. You love books.
Yeah, so what sports do you play?
I play soccer with my friends.
Sounds fun.
It is.
Lesson 5. Present simple verbs with yes, no questions. Conversation 1. Do you play sports?
Do you play sports?
Yes, I do. I really love basketball.
Do you play on a team?
Yes, but we do not play in winter.
Oh, do you play in summer?
Yes, we play in spring and summer.
Do you play at the gym in town?
No, we play at a high school.
Conversation 2. Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. What about you? Do you?
I don't have a cat, but I have a dog.
Nice. Do you have a big yard?
Yes, I have a big yard, so it is perfect for my dog.
Yeah, I don't have a yard, so I can only have a cat.
Conversation 3. Do you cook much?
Do you cook much?
Yes, I cook all the time. Do you cook?
No, I don't like to cook very much.
Oh, so do you buy your dinner?
Yes, I buy it at the supermarket.
Do you buy dinner every night?
Yes, I never cook.
Wow, that is expensive.
Conversation 4. Do you live downtown?
Do you live downtown?
Yes, I live near the train station.
Do you take the train to work?
Yes, most days. What about you?
I live far away, so I drive to work.
Do you have a nice car?
No, my car is old, but I like it.
Lesson 6. Present simple verbs, third person singular. Conversation 1. What does your mom do?
What does your mom do?
She sells women's clothing.
Oh, yeah? Where does she work?
She has a small shop in the mall.
Does she sell clothing for teens?
No, she only has stuff for adults.
Conversation 2. What does your brother do?
What does your brother do?
He's a university student. He studies engineering.
Oh, does he live at home?
No, he has a small apartment.
Does he come home much?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't have much free time.
Oh, when do you see him?
On the holidays. He calls my mom every week, though.
Conversation 3. What sports does she play?
Where does your daughter go to school?
She attends the local high school.
Does she like her school?
Yes, she plays sports and participates in many clubs.
Oh, what sports does she play?
She plays volleyball. She has a game tomorrow.
Oh, I hope she wins.
Conversation 4. When does the movie start?
When does the movie start?
It starts in about 10 minutes.
Cool! Who is in the movie?
Brad Pitt. He plays a policeman in the future.
Does it have good reviews?
It does. Everyone says it is a great movie.